Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute and simple Halloween nail design, so let's begin. As always, I'm starting off by applying a base coat. And just a little side note here, I actually did these nails last year, or 2 years ago, and I never posted them because I've been so busy around this time every year. I always forget to post my Halloween designs, so I'm trying to be better. I'm posting this one from 2 years ago, and I have a couple more from this year that I'm also going to try my very best to get to. Moving on, I'm going to begin the design by applying the base colors. For the first step of the design, I'm going to take white, and I'm beginning by outlining the ghost. Next up, I'm doing diagonal lines on my ring fingernail for the mummy. So apparently I did not record myself painting the pumpkin, but these are the two colors that I used. Now, following up for the ghost nail, I'm just adding 2 black dots for the eyes and a line for the mouth. Same thing over here for the eyes on the mummy. And now for the second part of the pumpkin, I'm just outlining it with black. And now to finish off, I'm sealing it all in with a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.